bantamweight mixed martial arts contest from Myanmar, the Dragon Leg, Tial Thang.
The Dragon Leg with the superstar Ong Latin Sung in his corner.
144.5 pounds for Tial Thang.
The Dragon Leg pounds the chest. He's ready to unleash tomorrow night in Manila, the Philippines.
And his opponent from the Philippines, Jeremy the Juggernaut Pacatiw.
There's a reason they call him the Juggernaut. You will see tomorrow night.
145 pounds for Jeremy Pacatiw.
Pacatiw also looking shredded. About to go head-to-head with Tial Thang for the first time. Tial Thang looks like he's ready to go right now. Getting in the face of Pacatiw. Pacatiw not relenting. This is an intense stare-down. This one could get nasty tomorrow night inside the Mall of Asia Arena.